So hi, good evening. So today here we will discuss on about Android. So I think you have some idea about this Android. So like first of all, Android is nothing but normally generally everyone knows about this Android, but like everyone knows about this is a mobile related. Mobile is Android like that they know, but in mobile we are installing lot of applications, number of applications, like we are using nowadays everything on mobile itself, like payments, ticket bookings and entertainment, YouTube, Gmail, Facebook, social media, lot of applications that we are installing in a mobile app. But how those applications are coming, so that is a main point here now. So as here today first we'll see the definition of Android. In that word itself, it will cover how these applications are will come and what is our course and everything it will cover on this. First of all, definition of Android. So definition is nothing but it's a simply I can say 4 words. Just you can remember 4 words. Based on that we can form a sentence. First, I'm writing this operating system. Then I'll explain you each and every word. It's a development environment, then open source, so it's a operating system, development environment and open source. So first of all, operating system. So what is operating system? Everyone knows about this operating system. Operating system is nothing but like we know already in our systems, laptop or desktop, that we are using Windows, Linux, Mac, like various operating systems are there. But those all are suitable for the laptops and desktops, etc. But like same, mobile also have some operating systems like Android, iOS, other Symbian, Windows, lot of is there. But here Android is nowadays it's a more popular because of few reasons. Those reasons we'll discuss. But this is the operating system. So because of the operating system only, we are able to installing the different kind of applications in our phone. So like example, you can take any basic phone like Nokia 2021, like basic mobiles. So those are coming with the specific features. We cannot install anything on those phones and we cannot uninstall anything on those phones. But here our phones, we are able to do that. So it's an operating system. Because of the operating system, we are able to do that. But what is exact definition of operating system is nothing but operating system is it's a communication between hardware and software. So here we can able to communicate the hardware to software. Like we are installing some application, like maybe I have installed some related to social media. So where I can communicate with the camera, where I can communicate with the speakers. So that is communication, nothing but it's hardware to software. That is this. And the next point here it is the development environment. So what is development environment? So here we are installing applications, but where those are coming means this Android can support develop the apps. So develop the apps. Various lot of people are developing various kind of apps, means it can support any app, like different kinds of apps. Either it should be social media, either it should be banking, social media, banking, entertainment, etc. Whatever categories are there, every category we can develop using this Android. So, but for this, what technologies will use means we can use Java XML. Java and XML. Apart from this, we can use some other also. That is recently some people are using Kotlin, but this is not up to the mark in a market. So we can able to do this Java. But who are aware of Java, mobile app development with the Java? Simply they can do that with small tool as it. Based on the tool, easily they can develop this. And the next one is this open source. So what is open source? So open source is nothing but anyone can use, like water, a river open source. Anyone can utilize the water from there. Like it is also open source, means without paying any license, we can, without payment, no payment for this. Without payment, we can use either mobile apps we can use, or we can develop the application. So this is the simple definition of Android. Android is an operating system. It's a development environment, and it's the open source. So simple with the 3 words, we can say the definition. Android is an operating system. It's a development environment, and it's an open source. Okay, this definition wise it is fine, but so coming into actual scenario now. So if someone wants to learn any specific technology, why they should come to Android? Why not a different? So why Android development? Why not other? Why Android? Because in the market there are various technologies are there, like Java, .NET, Python, data science, like many more, data science, PHP, etc. Just I'll put this etc. here. So various technologies are there, but why this is? So here every technology in a market, every technology we have jobs. Every technology there is a jobs, but apart from the jobs, this Android has some extra benefits. What that extra benefits? Like if I want to learn, means I am already an Android developer. So there are 2 preferences. One, I can develop my own apps, and other is freelance, where I can work as a freelancer. So what is the benefit of these 2? But using Java also, is this 2 are possible? Means I say no only. Why? Because using Java development, that projects whatever we are developing in Java, like compared to this Android, it's different. .NET is different. That normally we can develop huge applications using those technologies. So those huge applications we cannot get as a freelance work. But if in case of mobile application, it's a small applications, easily we can get the freelance chances. So we can develop, we can work as freelancer for some. And if coming into this word, own applications. So as a developer, I know I want to develop my own applications. I develop some applications, I published in a Play Store, then I can get some income. But how that income will come? So from the own application, we can get some income. How that income will come? First is from the ads, and next is from the, if in case of it is a e-commerce application, from the business side we can get like data. So these are the various scenarios are there. Based on these scenarios, we can get the income. But how that income will come? See, just some example apps I'll show you in a Play Store. Simple applications where we can earn a lot of amount. See here, I'm taking, I think everyone are aware of these Frank apps. See here, just I'll open some of the applications here. Frank call. Just will filter only apps and games. Okay. So this is just example. I'll open this. See this application. Here it's a simple alarm kind of action. So then what they will do is just they put alarm at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock like that. Then it automatically that 6 o'clock your phone will ring. If someone seen that you are calling from someone like here exactly, I'm not getting that exact app. Like someone says that, see, like girlfriend, they will save that alarm name as a girlfriend. So some other people will see that what they think, okay, some girlfriend is calling like that. So like this kind of apps, but see how many installs are there? 10 million. 10 million means it's a huge amount. Means if like this, there are a lot of other applications, Frank call, Frank message, like it's just a fake chat kind of application. They can create that. So if he sees, it's auto-generated messages. If we see, we are thinking that someone is messaging like that. So these kind of applications, a lot of people are developing and they are uploading in a Play Store. They are getting some income from these kind of apps. So, but how many days we can get income from these apps means a few years, maybe 1 year from one application, or 2 years, 3 years, depends on the installations. So if something is happened for your application, what happens then? Immediately you have already application, you can re-upload in Play Store. That is a regular activity. If you can do, you will earn some income from these kind of basic apps. And if those basic apps, there is no, I mean, frankly say, there is no use of those applications. As a developer, we are saying this word, it's a frank, but people are using some entertainment purpose. So we can not say this. Like I'll show you some silly apps also. Frank. Heartbeat PP. See this, how it can recognize your BP with finger. It's a frank only. So just it will give the some random function. Random number will come here. Your BP something like that. It's a random number will come here. Scan success. You have like this. Some random number will come. So for this also, see, you can see how many downloads are there. 1+ million downloads. So like these people are earning this. This is in a 1 year span. It has 1 million like. So you can earn a lot of money. So, but how much you can earn? That is the next question. How much you can earn? If my app as simple 1,000 downloads, and that I'll take regular users. Like today, only use 10%. I'll take only 10% of users, means 100 users. If 100 users use continuously my application for 5 minutes, easily I can earn daily $3 to $4. $3 to $4 means it's approximate month. I can say $100. $100 means it's an average 7 to 8,000 nowadays, 7 to 8K. It's a with very less people, less users. In case of more users, we can get a more, but I'm taking here less figures only. Like this, we have the extra scope with this Android. So, but why we need to learn this Android? This is the case. But in case if you want to learn this, there are what you need to learn, what are the things that I'll show you here. So this is the Android. So it's a normally this course is total around 60 hours course. So in this 60 hours course, we will cover various aspects, that is introduction, how it came, what are the versions, what are the features, everything we can discuss in detail. And after that, what is the architecture and how to set up means development environment and all, and how to create a project, and how to design this using XML. We can design our application, how to design this, and what is the basic user interface, how you can design basic user interface, what is the layouts, components. Means right now maybe these terminologies you cannot understand, but once we enter into this, you can discuss one by one. So that time I can explain each and every word in detail like that. So like next is the text fields, you can create the forms and all. Then for life cycle and advanced user interfaces, like nowadays everyone are using this, like multimedia, how we can play video, audio, and how we are calling, messaging, email sending, like those functionalities, how we are connecting Wi-Fi, and what is a mobile status, like it's a ring, vibrate, that, and how we can connect to Bluetooth. Nowadays this is the more important, like we can connect using my Bluetooth. I can switch, turn off my AC, TV, printer, like lot of IoT devices. So next is the activities, services, and other can connect with the third parties like Facebook, social media, other scenarios. And I can develop dynamic applications. Dynamic applications in sense, data is coming from the server, like I can use my payment apps, or I can use my movies app, YouTube app, like that. We can, every communication should happen from the server side. So that kind of applications we can develop this. And finally, we'll discuss about the how we are displaying the Google Maps and all, and how to upload these applications in a Play Store, and how we can put ads in our apps, and how to generate a revenue. So those all are the aspects I can cover in this course. And initially I said this, there is a new technology, Kotlin. I'll give you some examples of Kotlin also. And also I'll give you how we can convert that from Java to Kotlin, that kind of things I'll explain here clearly. And apart from this, there are various other new additions which are using in a real-time scenarios, in a real-time projects. So those one by one here we can discuss, like how we can maintain the code, how we can upload the application in the Play Store, how we need to take the precautions for the security reasons, and all, everything we'll discuss in detail here. And after that, I'll take one sample project, like simple example. For example project, I'll take any one of development, I already developed application. I'll show that where I started, how it can build step by step. That explanation I'll give you in detail here. So this is the course about this course. So you have any questions on this? And maybe you have one more question. So for Java, I said Java. So what is the part of Java means? So Java also, it's not full Java. Part of core Java is enough to develop Android application, like basic things, class, method, and hooks concepts like polymorphism, those kind of basic things, and arrays. These all are the basic things are enough. These are the basic things enough to develop a Android applications. So this is the introduction about this course. So we'll go one by one in detail in our coming sessions. So you have any questions on this? So normally this class is here now with just introduction. Normally I am given a 20 to 25 minutes, but regular session should be 1 to 1.5 hours, depends on the topic.
Okay.
Okay, so then we'll connect tomorrow morning 7:30. We'll start that continuous 1 hour. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.